What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you 10 websites you can make $100 a day from online. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Super excited to go through the content within this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm uploading videos on a weekly and even right now a daily basis, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So let's go ahead and get started and dive deep into these 10 websites that I personally used to make $100 a day from online. And you're not limited to just $100 a day. You can make $200, $500, $1,000 plus dollars a day from these websites. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So the first website is known as Fiverr.com. Now, if you're going to make money on Fiverr.com, you want to make sure that you either have a skill set or you're willing to build a skill set in any one of these areas. You see there's graphic design, there's digital marketing, there's writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, and fun and lifestyle. So guys, there's probably something that you may not be aware of that you know about that you can monetize and make money from. And if you don't have any idea which category to go into when it comes to making money on Fiverr, pick something and then go do some research on the internet about it, learn about it, get experience with it, right? Put it into practice, get a positive result. And now you're somebody that is in authority and in a position to be able to, provide services or teach other people whatever it is that you're, looking to monetize. So you can see there's tons of categories here and you can start selling your gigs for as much as $5. And you'll see that some of these people that provide gigs on Fiverr, they're making, $200, $500, even $1,000 a day because they have so many people that are coming to them requesting their gig because, there's somebody that's obviously delivering, they're delivering on time, they're showing the quality of their work. The quality of work is very, very high. And so a lot of these specific gigs that you can complete for people can take, anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes. It just depends on which specific, line of work you're looking to go into. Okay. Some work is going to require a lot more effort, a lot more time than other lines of work. So you want to make sure that you're going into a line of work that's going to pay you what you're truly worth. So you don't want to spend an hour editing a video that's only going to, pay you $5. So you want to make sure you're doing something where you'll get the maximum amount of money back based off of your work and your effort. Okay. So that's website number one that will help you start making $100 a day online. Website number two is known as Google AdSense. Okay. And this is something that I just recently started back up just in the past couple months with my YouTube channel. But I had many blogs years ago that I was making Google AdSense money from. So basically you can have blogs out there on the internet and you could put this little line of code that Google gives you once you sign up for Google AdSense. You place that line of code on your website, and what will happen is when customers go to your website, these ads will pop up on your website from that line of code that you're given from Google. Now, when somebody clicks on one of those ads, you actually get paid, okay? And so you're not having to sell anything. You're not having to, really directly sell a product or service. People are just coming to your website and they happen to click on these little ads, right, within each part of your website. Now, you can also advertise or set up Google AdSense, or they also call it the YouTube Partnership Program with YouTube. Okay, so the little ads that show before your videos, when you have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, right, or at least I believe it's 100,000 views, one or the other, what will happen is Google will allow you to get access to their partnership program. So that will allow advertisers to advertise before your videos play. So when a customer clicks on one of those advertisements, you make money once again. And that's where this money has come from right here. If I view transactions, you can see that my income's going up every single month. right? You can see that I got paid right here, $195.09, $226.86, and this is just from uploading YouTube videos. So if I head over to my YouTube channel real quickly, and I'm going to go to my Creator Studio, and what we'll do is we'll go to my estimated revenue. You can actually see how much I've made so far for the month of April. Okay, today is actually April 24th. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch from, here we go, April 1st to April 24th or 23rd. It won't let me do today yet. And you can see so far, $515.21 just from uploading videos daily, okay? And you can see just yesterday, I had my biggest day at $67.53 that I earned from the YouTube Partnership Program. So that's way number 2 to make $100 or more a day from Google AdSense. And this is going to continue to grow. It's going to go to $100. You can see it's started really right around, it was right around just $10 in the middle of April. And you can see how quickly it's jumped up to almost $70. So you can get to $100 a day relatively quickly with the YouTube Partnership Program and Google AdSense. The next way that you can make money online and make $100 a day is through Upwork, similar to Fiverr, right? You just select one of these categories here, and then what you can do is you can be a freelancer. And you could be a writer, you could do graphic design, mobile development, creating apps, take care of customer service, marketing, manage somebody's social media, accounting, so on and so forth. So what I'd urge you to do is get to know Upwork, go through these different categories here and find out a specific skill set that you would be willing to either learn or something you already know. And there are tons of entrepreneurs out there like myself that will pay you handsomely for your work. Just on Fiverr alone, if I go to buying right here and I go to orders, okay, so you can see under transactions, I've spent $3,860. I've given $3,860 to people on Fiverr that would create like my YouTube thumbnails for me. They'd write articles for me. They'd edit some of my videos. They'd create promotional videos. So if you feel that you could do any of those, chances are I might find you on Fiverr and I'll pay you $5 or more to complete, that specific service. So Upwork is definitely a great way. And way number 3. Way number 4 is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. This is something else that I did when I first got started. And what I would do is I would go out there and I would find a bunch of articles out there on the internet that were on a specific topic, and then I would uniquely organize these, right? So they made sense, they flowed really well. And then I'd have somebody from like Fiverr or Upwork rewrite these articles, right? So I'm not plagiarizing. And then I'd put them in an ebook, right? So they're nicely organized chapter by chapter. And I'd sell it for, anywhere between $5 to, $20 or so, depending on the value that's in it, depending on the niche and how many pages there are. So you don't even have to go out there and write your own content. You can use somebody else's content and rewrite it and then organize it. And people are mostly paying you for that organization. So the organization is worth the fee that you charge. Now, the next website is Amazon Associates, right? Another part of Amazon Associates, it allows you to sell any products other than Kindle in the Amazon marketplace. So you can see you can sell shoes, you can sell, a grill here, you can sell dresses, you can sell video games, and Amazon will pay you up to 10% in advertising fees, up to 10% commission depending on the product. So one thing that I would always tell my clients is to simply just look around your house. I've got, this is my computer room I'm still setting up. I've got my MacBook Pro laptop here. I have my iMac box here. I have my Blue Yeti microphone here. I've got my Apple iPod my Apple iPad here. I've got a Leatherman right here. I've got my Sony camera here. I've got the a Lassie hard disk here, right? I've got this this pen that I use for my iPad as well. So I could be reviewing all these products, give people my personal advice on them, right? My testimonial, and then I can have a link in the description like of a video or on my blog and write an article, do a review on any of these products, and then send them through an affiliate link that's provided by Amazon Associates, and Amazon will pay me anywhere between 2 all the way up to 10% commission, okay? So that's another way. You also have a website called Max Bounty. This is called an affiliate network, and this affiliate network has tons of different products that you can promote, from weight loss to hair care to anti-aging to building muscle to relationships, you know, divorce advice. I mean, anything you can think of, it's available on Max Bounty. And what I like about affiliate networks like Max Bounty is you're going to get paid higher commissions than you would like on Amazon.com. So they'll pay you per lead, which is if you just drive information to a website for this company, they'll pay you, you know, $2, $4, $6, $15 just for like a name and email address and a phone number. And then they'll also pay you when you sell one of their products on their behalf. Sometimes they'll also pay you for, you know, people that get access to, you know, trial memberships or get access to try a product out, or even if they just spend $1, they'll pay you as much as like $50 to $100 because they know the lifetime value of their customer. So that's Max Bounty. The next way to make $100 a day or more is JVZoo. This is another affiliate marketplace, but this is specific to digital products. The great thing about digital products is you'll get paid high commissions because the products are instantly downloadable to your computer and there's a lot less overhead. And by the way, for both Max Bounty and JVZoo, you can actually get signed up and become an affiliate by clicking over here on Max Bounty, and then you just fill out an application. It should take you about 5, maybe 10 minutes to fill out, and you'll probably get a call to verify your information's correct. So you want to make sure that you're honest and you're upfront and you put in information that's relevant and real. Okay, so that's Max Bounty and also JVZoo. It's the same process. The only difference is you don't have to fill out like an application. You just fill out, you know, basic information, and you're not going to get a call from somebody. So if that makes you feel a little bit more comfortable, you can definitely go with JVZoo, and you can, you know, sign up right here. And by the way, both of these are 100% free to sign up. The next way is Commission Junction. Okay, this is another affiliate network that provides both physical and digital products. And they actually are a network that includes some of the largest companies around, okay? And so this is probably one of the most reputable affiliate networks on the internet because they just deal with huge brands, and it's just super, super easy to work with. And I like the creatives that they provide. In other words, I like the marketing material that they give you because it makes, you know, your marketing efforts that much easier. So definitely check out Commission Junction. There's no application, really, you know, thorough application process with Commission Junction. You just fill out, again, basic information, and it's free to sign up. The next affiliate network, we're kind of on a string here of affiliate networks, is PureFly. This is one that I've used in the past. As you can see, I've been paid out over $2,700 in this affiliate network. And this, again, provides tons and tons of different offers within different categories. And I went over PureFly more extensively in one of my other videos, and maybe I'll link that up in the description below for you guys. But you got tons of categories right here you can choose from. And this will show you how much they will pay you per lead or per sign up, right? Or per, you know, if somebody decides to buy. So if I click this button here, you can see that I can make up to $150 by promoting this premium domain service right here, right? So many different, you know, niches. I would recommend checking out at least one of these affiliate networks and really going deep with their offers and finding out what they provide. and then picking an offer and then promoting it. And we'll talk about, promoting offers and how to exactly do that a little bit later on in this video. So the last way, okay, the 10th way to make at least $100 a day or more is a program called the 4%. 4% is actually connected to an affiliate marketplace known as clickbank.com. In other words, one of the affiliate offers within ClickBank is the 4%. And you can see here are my earnings as a result of promoting this specific product, right? And so what I've done is I've gone through all the training extensively within 4%, and 4% has allowed me to go out there on clickbank.com and promote products on ClickBank and earn this type of income. You can see today, $62.05. It's still right around 11 o'clock in the morning. So new day. Yesterday, $100. Sunday, $88. Saturday, of course, you're going to have days where you don't do a whole lot. You can see April 10th, though, to April 20th, really had some consistent income here. Did as much as $600 here and then $427.99 here. This is all due to the training and to the specific program known as 4%. And if you'd like to get access to 4% that will show you how to create this type of income that you're seeing on clickbank.com, which the biggest factor here, you guys, all these networks work, right? But the biggest factor that's going to determine your success in each of these networks is learning traffic generation, learning how to get visitors and eyeballs to these websites. And what I love about 4% is it's going to show you how to do that in complete detail. This is the most step-by-step comprehensive program out there on the internet, bar none. And I'll be real with you guys. The reason that people fail in this online marketplace is, number one, they're overwhelmed, okay? And number two, most people that are making a lot of money online, they don't want to spend the time and the effort and energy to coach the newbie, right? They'd rather coach somebody that's already making 10 grand a month than coach somebody that's making, $0, because there's so much effort as a mentor. And I know this, teaching somebody how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month. There's so much, change that has to take place in their mentality. There's so much change that has to take place in learning the skill sets, the knowledge, the techie stuff. And most gurus aren't willing to go out there and teach you guys this stuff. That's why you've been failing up to this point. That's part of the reason. What I love about the 4% is Vic teaches you from scratch how to build an online business from nothing, okay? And he shows you how to do it in complete detail for the newbie. He's willing to do the hard work. He's willing to get down to your level, whatever level you're at. I don't care if you're making 10 grand a month, you're making nothing, or if you've just maybe broken through and made your first commission online. This program is for you. So go ahead, click the link below, and you can potentially start generating the same results that I'm generating inside of the 4% due to the training. Now, results aren't guaranteed. I don't know you. I don't know where your mentality is at right now. I don't know if you're willing to put in the work. I don't know if you're somebody that's motivated, that's hungry. I don't know if you're somebody that has a mature mind where you're willing to just focus on one specific thing. If that's you, click the link below in the description. Give me a thumbs up on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Again, I'm uploading videos every single day, helping you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So with that said, Josh Yelder signing off. Check out the links in the description below. Check out my top recommended system known as 4% right now, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.